Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Shirani. Today I'm going to show you how I make my horchata. Okay, the first thing you're going to need is 1 cup of long grain white rice. And I'm going to put my rice in a strainer and I'm going to wash it. And I'm just washing this until the water runs clear. As always, I'm going to have the exact measurements in the description box below for you. Now, I didn't grow up drinking horchata, but I learned about it when I moved here because there are a lot of Mexican places around here. I'm going to put this in my dish and set it aside. Okay, to my pot, I'm going to add 4 cups of water. And 1 cinnamon stick. I'm going to let this come to a rolling boil and I'm going to boil it for 1 minute. After it comes to a boil, you're going to take it and pour it over the rice and you're going to let this sit for at least 5 hours. You just want the rice to get soft and the cinnamon to get soft and to get all that flavor infused in there. At this point, it smells so good already, you can just smell all that cinnamon. Okay, 5 hours has passed and I'm just going to put this in my blender and blend it. If you know anything about horchata, then you know there are 2 different ways you can do this. You can let the rice soak overnight or you can let it sit out and soak for a few hours. I tried them both ways and I couldn't really tell any difference. Blend this until it's nice and smooth. I blended mine for about 3 minutes, but I'm using a high-powered blender, so I didn't need that long. Because I'm using a high-powered blender, there's not much to strain, but if you want yours really smooth, it's best if you use a piece of cheesecloth or some kind of cloth that you can strain it. I've been really enjoying this because it's just so hot outside. Here it said it was 108 and 109 in Texas. Oh my goodness. And the real feel said it was like 117 outside the other day. That is hot. Now I'm going to strain this. I'm going to add 2 cups of whole milk to that. One cup of sweetened condensed milk. One cup of evaporated milk. And 2 teaspoons of vanilla. Mix that really well. Now you can make this to however you want. You can make it more sweet or less sweet, it's up to you. I know some people make it with sugar, and I've tried it with sugar in the past, but I didn't really care for it. I prefer it with just the condensed milk. I feel like it's richer and creamier, and I just love it that way. I'm just going to pour this over some ice and enjoy. And I prefer to pour it over the ice than to put the ice in the pitcher because I don't want to water down the whole pitcher of horchata. There you go, some nice delicious horchata. And especially since it's so hot outside, oh my goodness, this just tastes so good right now. Well, I hope you enjoyed this one. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. Every thumbs up helps to get my videos out there. And I'll talk to you in my next one. Take care. Bye.